Well, since I was a kid, my father usually he bought me some stuff like Matchbox. Yes, way before. Then my father is usually my father is a car enthusiast way before. Then he passed it on me. Then from the start, I bought it from the scratch, which is the chassis itself. I bought it from a Japanese guy. Then I converted it into the left-hand drive, which is my Donar car, my 4-door. Then yung 4-door, which is I removed the firewall, then a firewall swap. Then the papers I used it for locally. From there, I assembled it one by one. Then I bought some parts to restore it. I saw this on a game which called this the Gran Turismo. From there, from the scratch, like I said, from the Gran Turismo, I saw the 2-door. Then after 3 months, someone or a customer came from my father's shop. Then I saw it personally. So that's where I start loving a Civic. The style, which is the 2-door, then the engine, which is powerful, then the interior, which is very sporty. One of my very special moment is I won in an event, in drag race. Yes, that was first time when I was first released the car. I took it on an event. Then from there, that day I won. The car won. Nagkaroon kasi kami ng first car meet ko within the Honda Boys. We were a Supreme before. Ito yung mga meets later on. Someone invited me mag-push na mag-display or magpunta. Well, it's not my type. I'm more on events, like the race events. Most commonly, I go for the race events, not for the like yung show and display, no. Usually events. Nakita ko siya sa Facebook, scrolling lang ako. Then, I saw the mga pictures na kuha ng iSpot. Then, nag-follow ako. Tinunton ko kung sino yung mga behind that. Messages din, I PM din, I DM din. So, ayun. So, hanggang sa inaya ko sila doon sa Honda Day, doon sila nakakuha ng namit. Then, sinama ko na sila sa event.
Ay, ako nga po pala ang co-owner po ng iSpot Car, si Andrew po. Na-meet na po si Kuya Rob nung naanalas sa akin ni Duff. Like parang ipinakilala lang niya sa akin yung nung pupunta po kami nung isang event. Like, ayun, sinabi sa akin, Andrew, i-kainain natin yung sasakyan natin sa doon sa may event. Ako naman, akala ko parang ako lang din ulit yung pupunta kasi mostly ako yung pupunta But nung nakilala ko naman ito si Kuya Rob, naging comfortable din ako agad, like same vibes lang. Then yung lang din, medyo ko na nga siya, medyo naging ikuya ko na nga rin po siya, like medyo nagkakasundo-sundo na rin po kami. Nabuo yung iSpot Cars nung parang nagsaspotting palang kami ni Daphne around dun sa Antipolo. Then suddenly nag-start siya na nagbigay sa akin ng idea na parang what if mag-start kami ng namin, ng sarili namin media page. Total same naman din kami, same passion, same hobby. Then, ayun, from there on, may nami-meet na rin kami mga owner, like yung una naming shoot. Gusto ko lang din sana i-mention yung ano namin, yung una na namin ina-shoot doon sa may tak-tak, which is itong CRV. Yung ano ko lang din nun, akala ko ano lang din, normal lang siya na CRV nung una. Pero ano ko siya, ina-meet ko siya nung pauwi pa lang ako sa school nun. Then, from there on, na-shoot, nagawan ng magazine. Then, ayun, yun naging friends. Then, after nun, nag-decide na rin kaming magawa ng ano namin, ng sarili naming car club, which is yung ano namin, yung Higure Chasers, which is member si Kuya Rob. And, ayun, so, ano pa naman, medyo dumandami din na rin po kami. Couple of cars na rin.
Well, sa akin, nakita ko, okay naman siya. Well, friendly kasi, mga tao. Friendly, then, syempre, kumbaga, small community pa lang. Nag-grow up pa lang siya. Nag-start pa lang siya mag-grow up. Okay naman. Well, kung gusto nyo ng Civic like this, it's not so easy, Kasi, imagine parts, it's very rare. Since very rare, then, it's so-called Honda, accessories will spike, the prices will spike high. Special message ko kay iSpot Cars, continue lang, hard work, more photos to come, syempre, ganda na rin, kumbaga yung mga behind the iSpot Cars, mababait, friendly naman sila. So, approachable naman. Pwede naman sila,
Sa mga gustong magkaroon ng mga group page, car clubs, advice ko lang din sa inyo, be positive lang din. Be positive lang and enjoy the journey along the way. Enjoy the experience, enjoy knowing new people, bonding with them, ganun. Isa mga members ng Higure Chasers, thank you na tinanggap nyo kami as your car club, and isa na rin next time makatambay-tambay din tayo, lahat tayo makapagkwentuhan. Yung message ko lang din sa amin siguro more power pa and more meets to go.
My phones to go.
Ano ka pala? Yung more food trips, more gala. Tapos yung mga namin, yung more on sa kalokohan namin.
Syempre, mga events, hindi na tayo mawawala doon.
Oo, syempre. Ano lang din, pag-aanapin nyo kami, andito, nakikwerov lang kami, nasa AK9. Abangan nyo na lang din po kami sa mga next meets, and see you around.